x is greater than 0 and 2 times 3x minus 6 squared is equal to 162, then what is the value of x? So I just need to solve for x. So this whole thing over here is being multiplied by 2. So to get rid of the 2, I'm going to do the opposite operation, meaning I divide both sides by 2. That's going to give me 3x minus 6 squared is equal to 162 divided by 2 is 81. And to get rid of the squared, I'm going to take the square root of it. And that's going to give me 3x minus 6 is equal to plus or minus, do not forget the plus or minus, 9. So we have two equations. We have 3x minus 6 is equal to positive 9, and 3x minus 6 is equal to negative 9. Whenever we take a square root of a number, it's going to be plus or minus. So let's solve for this one over here. So we add 6 on both sides. That's going to give us 3x is equal to 15. Divide 3 on both sides. X is going to be equal to 5. So that's going to be our answer because it says that x is greater than 0. But let's solve for this anyway. So again, we add 6 on both sides. 3x is equal to negative 3. Divide 3 on both sides. X is going to be equal to negative 1. And so 5 is the answer.